Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the TENKER brand SHIATSU back massage seat, cushion massage chair with 3D SHIATSU deep kneading, pressing, rolling, vibration, heat. You can use this for home, office, and your car. Now this thing is very large, which is a good thing. It's almost 4 feet long, and to the right there is the part that you sit on, that's on your chair, and to the left is the part that has the kneading rollers. The section on the right has 3 modes of vibration, we're going to show that, and on the left it has those kneading rollers that go up and down your back. Now it comes with a really sturdy box. It was mailed in, which is nice. Got a handle on there. Here's the control. We'll have a close-up of that, how to use it. Comes with an AC to DC adapter with a plug that plugs right into the unit right there. Also includes a car cigarette lighter adapter so that you can use this in your car. On the right here, it has a little holder so that you could hold the remote on there when it's on your chair. Now the material that this is made out of, it's PU leather, which is a synthetic leather, and has a nice feel to it. Very nice and smooth, and it's very easy to clean. It doesn't stain easily, and it's very durable too. So it's going to last a long time on here. Now this uses 4 back SHIATSU deep kneading massage nodes, travels up and down, and we're going to demonstrate that. You can turn heat on and off as a function. You could stop it where you want it to stop, or you could have it go automatically up and down to massage your back. The base, as I mentioned, the seat has vibration alone, 3 different levels. The company has a really good warranty. They offer 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Any issues you have, they will mail you a replacement unit at no cost. So let's take a look. We're going to power this up with the included adapter, and we're going to show you all the functions on here. On the back of the unit, there's a nice material on here. It feels really nice. It has this stretchable material that has Velcro on there. And that allows you to put it around your car seat or whatever seat you're going to be using this on. We're going to use it and test it on a chair that I sit on when I'm working on my computer. So first we're going to show the back. We concentrate on the part that you sit on right here, where it has the little remote holder on there. And you can see you can change the angle of this so that it'll work on any chair angle, which is nice. So you have your power right here. See an LED comes on. Nothing comes on by default, so you have a choice to put everything on you want. So right on the bottom here it has the word seat, and you hit that and you see the little status L lights up. Now this starts vibrating. You can hear it. It's a nice low vibration. It's probably shaking the camera. And then you can go to medium and then high. So you have a choice. The low is a lower frequency. It'll give more to your muscles, and then the medium, and then the high is a faster frequency. You know, you just have to choose what feels best to you. And then you just complete the cycle and it turns off. So that is the seat portion. There's no heat, but it's vibration. Now we're going to demonstrate the back portion, how that works. So you have the remote right here. So you have center button heat. Then you got these buttons going up on the left and on the right. The left button, it says lower, upper body, and then full. So the lower is going to concentrate on the lower part of your back, the upper, on the middle part to the upper part right there. When you do a full, it's going to go back and forth, up and down. So we're going to turn this on lower. Now, so that you can see it, I'm going to put heat on. And now you can see the motion right there. And let's just let it just do its thing. So it's going to go up and down and do the lower part. Now if I hit the upper, let's see what it does. Now you see it's going all the way up, and then it goes the other direction, and it's going to worm its way down, but it's going to stay in this upper region because we have selected upper right there. Now if you go to full, the status goes to full. You also notice it has a heat indicator on, and now it's going to go all the way up and all the way down and go back and forth. So that's kind of the automatic mode when you're sitting and you just want to go up and down your back. Now, when you want to go to a specific area, the sound you're hearing, there's no resistance on there because I don't have my back obviously on there. So that's what you're hearing. So if I go to this right hand display right here, you can see that you can go down, there's down arrows right there, or you can go up and it'll just keep going up. And then when you reach a point where it feels good or you have a sore back or some knots in your back, that's when you hit the target button. And then what it's going to do is going to stay working in that area. So you take target off, and then it's going to go back where you do the up. Now it's going to go up. Let's let it run. So if I want to stop it right on the top, I hit target right there, and now it's going to stay in that top area, working on those muscles. So you can have this remote and you could be essentially setting it to stop on different areas in your back. When you turn the target off, then you can have it go down and up whatever you want. And the heat is on this whole time so that we could show that. Now I'm going to put this in target mode right there so that it stays going in that area right there. We're going to let this run. I'm going to see if I feel heat on those little nodes right there. So let's take a look. I have a temperature on right there, and you can see that it's about 80 degrees if I could hold it still on there. So what's happening is these are heating up, and the rest of the material is 71 degrees. So what that's telling me is that those little red LEDs in there, it's not just light, but it's actually heating up those little nodes, and you can feel it. I can feel it on my hand right there. So it's got about a 20 degree Fahrenheit difference between the room temperature. And that's nice. It's not too hot, but yet you'll feel it on your back and on your muscles. I mean, it already feels really good on my hand right there. It's got a nice feeling to it. They have that warmth and the rotation. So I'm going to try this on my chair, and I want to see what it feels like while I'm sitting. So here I have it in my office chair. And what I really like is the function I showed where you could hit the target button. You know, so I move it up, and then I like the way it feels right there, then I hit the target button, and then it stays in that position. It feels really good. And the bottom vibration works also. Once you sit on it, you feel it. It's a nice tingling feeling. But the fact that you could stop that along there just makes it feel really good. So what's my overall opinion about the TENKER brand Shiatsu back massage seat cushion massager chair with 3D SHIATSU deep kneading and pressing and rolling and vibration. I like this product. I like the feel of the material, and as I demonstrated, it felt really good on my back. So you can't go wrong if you got tired back muscles and you want to get some comfort and some relief. This is going to help you out. If you have long days on your computer, put this on your computer chair. If you have long drives in your car, use this in your car and help the circulation on your upper and lower back and on the seating area also. So I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll learn the new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.